got me.
But seriously, everybody wants to get their first pull-up.
Right.
Me included. What do we do?
All right, it's a big milestone. So first thing, you need a couple of prerequisites.
Okay.
I think you need to be able to do a flexed arm hang with your chin above the bar for roughly 10 seconds. You got to be able to own that position for a period of time. You also need to be able to hang at the bottom with completely straight arms for maybe about the same time, maybe about 10, 15 seconds. So you have that prerequisite hand strength to be able to hold your own body weight.
All right.
And then after that, we need to find out where you're weak in the range of motion. So some people struggle to lock off the top and go from, let's say, halfway up to the very top. Some people struggle, and I think most people struggle with going from the very bottom, straight arms, and just try to get moving.
Right, because one of the things I've always heard is, help yourself. So that would be the bottom where you're being weaker.
Yeah, so a lot of people will use a band or jump or some kind of device.
I can do that.
Yes. But one of the big issues is with that is it's really easy in the bottom and it gets harder at the top, but that bottom part that's where you start a pull-up. So if you're always giving yourself that extra advantage of being able to bounce out of the bottom, you'll never
be
really
able to
get
do
the
that
strength
straight
you need.
arm.
Yeah, to do it on your own.
Okay.
So a good way just to test where you're strong or where you're weak is to try to pull up, and if you can't break your arms and actually bend your elbows, you'll know you're weak at the bottom. And then go up to the flexed arm hang, and if you can control that top part of the end range of the motion, you need to work on the bottom.
All right.
Whereas if you can come out of the bottom, but you can't quite get to the top, you'll know you need to spend more time in the top half of the movement.
So where are we going to start here?
All right,
we're going to see how weak I am.
Let's start at the bottom time with straight arms, and let's see if you can get those elbows moving.
Okay, so you want
And
me...
I like an underhand grip for most
Oh,
people
good.
to start off.
Okay.
So let's do that and get a little bit more biceps. So hang straight down first. There you go. Good. And now try to pull. All right, so you've been your elbows a little bit, not so much. Now let's go to the top and let's see do a flexed arm hang. I know you can do this pretty well.
All right. So just go ahead and jump.
Go up to the top.
For apparently my weak spot.
Good. You got that pretty good under control. So what I would tell you to do now is come down nice and slow.
A negative.
Do a negative, yeah. Come down, do nice and slow, do your negative. And then in the bottom half, spend even more time from the middle of the rep to the bottom of the rep. So you can really work that bottom half of the range of motion. Come all the way down to your arms are straight. Good. And then you can come back over to the box and rest.
Okay.
Now,
I like the rest.
sometimes 1 rep is good. Sometimes people need 2 reps. Some people 3 reps. It just all depends. Okay, so there's a good starting spot.
So that's the negative on the down.
Yeah.
Should I count to like 1,005 to here and then just slower, 1,010 all the way down?
Yeah, that's one way to do it. There's
Okay.
so many ways to skin it that it really becomes individual, and just as long as you keep building strength and getting better throughout the range of motion, you'll know you're making some progress.
All right, when can I expect to be able to do a full pull-up?
Well, it depends. So I think everybody's different, but I think another way to train this is with a partner.
Okay.
So like I said, using banded assistance is sometimes cheating the range of the motion. But if you have somebody that can spot you and give you manual assistance and give you just what you need to keep moving, I think that can stimulate the best results. Do you want to try a rep?
Sure.
All right.
I'll be able to do it.
Come on, and you're going to hang down the
I'm
bottom.
gonna hang down, just hang straight.
And look, I like to spot from the back, okay? Sometimes when people do this, they have people bend their legs up and they spot from the legs. I think that puts your upper body in a poor position. So I'm in big favor of, let's go ahead and hang straight down.
That would almost be like using the band.
Kind of, except for I'm not going to give you that much help, and it's going to be less consistent.
All right, let's go, Eric.
So I'm here, and then I'm going to give you a little bit of help, just what you need to keep moving, but I'm going to make you do most of the work. I'm hardly helping you, right? But you're getting a lot of work, and I'll do the negative yourself. The negative's on your own.
On here hard.
There you go. And you're spending time in the bottom range. Good.
Woo!
Now we can do 1 of those in a row, 2 of those in a row, 3 of those in a row.
I did a pull-up.
Very good.
Thanks, Eric.
You're welcome.